Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to grow the mathematics community. In this lesson, you'll be looking at if y equal to secant of x times tangent of x, so that the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 2 times secant cube x minus secant of x. Thanks to Into Michael for sending me this question. Now, Into, the question that you said we are to prove that dy on the x equals 3 times secant squared x minus secant of x. And there's no way that we can prove this, but this is what we can prove. So if you have any other way of proving out to this level, you can do it and leave the the solution at the comment section. I will highly appreciate it. But I think this is what we can prove, but we can't do this one. So let's see. So Into Michael, it means your question should be of this form. Here we are going to use the product rule. So here the derivative of y with respect to x should be equal to the tangent of x times the derivative of secant of x with respect to x plus secant of x times the derivative of tangent of x with respect to x. That is using the product rule. So here, if we differentiate secant of x, we are going to get secant of x times tangent of x. And here, if we differentiate tangent of x, we are going to get secant squared of x. So here we have plus secant of x times secant squared of x. Now, tangent of x and tangent of x will give us tangent squared of x. So here we have secant of x times tangent squared of x plus secant cube of x. That is secant of x times secant squared of x will give us secant cube of x. Now, from the basic trigonometric identities, we know that 1 plus tangent squared of x is equal to secant squared of x. Check the description for my video on basic trigonometric identities. Now, if we make tangent squared of x in the subject, you have tangent squared of x is equal to secant squared of x minus 1. So here, we are going to have secant of x times secant squared of x minus 1 plus secant cube of x. Now, secant of x times secant squared of x will give us secant cube of x, secant of x times minus 1 over minus secant of x plus secant cube of x. So if we add secant cube of x to secant cube of x, we'll get 2 times secant cube of x minus secant of x. And that is to be shown. So in total, I think your question is supposed to be of this form, but not to prove that the derivative of y with respect to x is 3 times secant squared of x minus secant of x. So if anyone can do that, you should do it. Prove that the derivative of this is equal to this and leave the answer at the comment section. We learn from one another, so if I get to know that you'll be able to prove, I'll highly appreciate it and I'll love it. Bye bye.